The lowest amount of sodium I've been able to find in any ranch dressing is 70 milligrams, or 1 tablespoon. That can add up really quick. So I keep trying, mix stuff up, taste it, throw it away. Mix stuff up, taste it, throw it away. Not anymore. I do not think I can possibly get any better than what we're going to make today. In this bowl, I have a 1/4 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, and it kind of makes a little buttermilk. Or, if you have buttermilk, you can just use 1/4 cup of buttermilk. In here, 1 tablespoon of Newton's Hampshire sour cream, 5 milligrams of sodium. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 140 milligrams of sodium. Heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons, 30 milligrams of sodium. So I freeze this in packages to make my salad dressing. It doesn't whip afterwards, but I don't care because I'm not going to whip it. I'm just going to use it for my wonderful ranch dressing. Now, we're just going to whisk all this together. Just a little bit. Just to give us something to do. Then, okay, got a little bowl here. It's got a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, no sodium, parsley, 1 tablespoon, 6.9 milligrams, garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon is 0.5, white granulated sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon, 0 celery seed, a 1/4 teaspoon, 0.8, and dill weed. 1/2 teaspoon is 2.4. When you put your dill weed in and you taste it, when we get done and you taste it, you say, oh, I don't taste any dill. I think I'll put some more. Oh, don't worry about it. Tomorrow, that dill gets stronger as it sits. Tomorrow, going to have a good, nice little bit of dill in there. Now, all that's in here, we're going to, you got it, whisk it in. Whisk it in. It's in there. It's just kind of fun to watch it do its thing. Then, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of distilled white vinegar. No sodium goes in. And our ranch dressing is done. It will thicken as it sits, but it does never get too thick for you to use on your salad. Okay, we're going to see exactly how much dressing and dip we've got in our little bowl. All right, here we go. 1 cup. Great. We got 1 cup. Now, cucumber, check it out. This is a really good ranch that I'm satisfied with. I can use this as a dip. And I can put it on the salad. subscribe to my channel. And every Friday, you will get a brand new low sodium recipe. This whole cup has got 1 cup of wonderful ranch dressing in it, 210.5 milligrams of sodium, 16 tablespoons has less than 14 milligrams per tablespoon. Do not think I'll ever be able to get lower than that. I'm satisfied, and it is very, very tasty. Enjoy your dressing.